Imagine writing your very first line of code, hitting run, and watching it work, all in less time than it takes to check your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm cutting through all the confusing tech jargon and endless setup tutorials to get you straight to that undeniable moment. This isn't just about hello world, it's about unlocking your coding journey in minutes. Let's do this. We're not downloading anything today. No IDEs, no complex setups. We're going straight to a free, online Python interpreter. I'll link it below. Just open it up, you'll see a blank editor on the left and a Run button. That's it. You're ready. Now, type this exactly. Print, hello world. That's it. That's your entire first program. Print is a command that displays text, and everything inside the quotes is what you'll see on screen. Feel free to change hello world to your name or a message, make it yours. Now hit run. And there it is, your first Python script is alive. You just told the computer to do something, and it listened. No magic, no mystery. You're already coding. Let's break it down simply. Print is a function, a built-in tool that shows text. The quotes tell Python, this is text, not code. Hitting run sends your instructions to Python, which executes them instantly. This is the foundation of everything you'll build in Python, from apps to AI tools. Now it's your turn. Change the message. Try adding a second print statement. See what happens. The best way to learn is by doing. Leave a comment below with what you printed, I'd love to see. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff, beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Next video, we'll build on this and create a personalized greeting program. Thanks for watching, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.